Again, this is the 2022 Ford Maverick, and this is the owner's menu. Some people may have a problem. Hey, he's reading the owner's menu. This is what this is about. The owner's menu. This is what we want to know about. Now, the maintenance precautions. Service your vehicle regularly to help maintain the roadworthiness and resale value. Now, there's a large network of authorized dealers that are there to help you with the professional servicing expertise. And we believe that their specially trained technicians are best qualified to service your vehicle properly and expertly. They are supported by a wide range of highly specialized tools developed specifically for servicing your vehicle. If your vehicle requires professional services, an authorized dealer can provide the necessary parts and service. Check your warranty information to find out which parts and services are covered. Use only recommended fuel lubricants, fluids, and service parts conforming to specifications. And do not work on a hot engine. Make sure nothing gets caught in the moving parts. And do not work on the vehicle with the engine running in an enclosed space unless you are sure you have enough ventilation. Keep all open flames and other burning materials such as cigarettes away from the battery and all fuel-related parts. Set the parking brake, shift the transmission to park, and block the wheels. Now, the first thing we have to do when we open up the hood, we have to locate the device that opens up the hood. Now, opening and closing the hood, one, open the left-hand door, of course, and fully pull the hood release lever and let it completely retract. Now, this action releases the hood latch. Now, fully pull the hood release lever for a second time. Now, this action fully releases the hood. Open the hood. Now, there's no secondary hood release under the hood, which is nice, because you already did it twice, so you don't have to worry about, a secondary release under the hood. Closing the hood. And 5, support the hood with the strut. And as you can see, the strut is located here, and this is where you put the strut in order to hold the hood up, of course. And again, closing the hood to make sure that you fully latch the hood before driving. Failure to follow these instructions could result in personal injury or death. Now, remove the strut from the catch and secure it correctly in the clip. Lower the hood and allow it to drop under its own weight for the last 10 to 14 inches. Warning lamp and indicators. Now, this lamp will illuminate when the ignition is on and the hood is not completely closed. So you'll get this illumination. And you also get the information message, hood ajar. And your action, stop your vehicle as soon as you possibly can, or as soon as it's safe to do so, and close the hood. This is just one part of the maintenance, and this is opening and closing the hood of the 2022 Ford Maverick.
Is a new kind of pickup, versatile and capable, built for makers and doers, stunningly fuel efficient and built for tough. It's the truck for people who never knew they needed a truck. Here's everything you need to know about the all-new Ford Maverick in just 3 minutes. Maverick is the first ever standard full hybrid truck. Maverick comes standard as a 5-passenger, 4-door pickup available in XL, XLT, and Lariat trim levels. The standard 2.5-liter hybrid has a targeted EPA estimated rating of 40 miles per gallon in the city and 500 miles of range on a single tank of gas. The truck bed is a makerspace. This flex bed system offers all kinds of organization and DIY solutions, like vertical and horizontal slots for 2x4 and 2x6 boards that you can use to build your own bike racks, service bed dividers, or any number of other solutions. A multi-position tailgate and 10 available tie downs to secure your items. 2 available 110-volt outlets, one in the cabin and one in the bed, can power phones, tools, and electronics. And a standard electric 12-volt DIY pre-wire package in the bed can be used for wiring lights, and a 4.5-foot bed, 6 feet with the tailgate down, can help haul bikes, furniture, or that next DIY project you're working on. Maverick has a lower ride height, which makes getting in and out a breeze. And most adults can reach over the side and easily grab whatever you need. It has a max payload capacity of 1,500 pounds and standard towing capacity of 2,000 pounds. And of course, Maverick is built Ford tough. The available 2-liter EcoBoost engine, which provides optional all-wheel drive, also has an available max towing package of 4,000 pounds. Maverick is built with smart technology like a standard embedded modem, which allows you to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle from your Ford Pass app. The standard 8-inch touchscreen also provides seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 5 selectable drive modes to help enhance performance and confidence in various driving conditions. It has Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology like standard automatic emergency braking and auto high beams, as well as available adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, and evasive steering assist capabilities. This truck was designed with smart storage solutions to accommodate how people live. Like there's a place to store a tall 1-liter water bottle, store your gear in the large bins under the rear seat, door pockets for stashing laptops or tablets, and bed storage for things like tools or rope. Maverick boasts a tight turning radius and compact size for easy driving and parking around the city. Maverick has city maneuverability with truck functionality. The truck is ingeniously designed to be customized inside and out to suit your lifestyle, and it delivers on the built Ford tough durability and capability you expect. Finally, the all-new Ford Maverick starts at just under 20 grand.
This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.